In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to convert any code file to GLTF format using MiConvert's free online converter. Step 1. Open Google and type code to GLTF MiConvert. Click the first search result to open the converter page. Step 2. You should now see the code to GLTF converter page. Everything you need is right here on one page. Step 3. Click Choose File. Find your code file in the file browser, select it, and click Open to upload it. Step 4. Your file is now uploaded. Review the details shown on screen, then click Convert Now to start converting. Step 5. Wait for the conversion to finish. The progress bar shows how much is done. It won't take long. Final step. Click the Download button to save your converted GLTF file. That's the entire process, simple and free. You've just converted code to GLTF in under a minute. Visit MiConvert.com for more tools. Subscribe for more guides.